Hi friends, welcome to English Study Point. Today in this video lecture, I am going to discuss important question from a work by Chitra Banerjee Divakaruni titled as The Palace of Illusions. Discuss the Palace of Illusions as a feminist text. So here is the answer. Draupadi's development showcases the struggle for self-identity. Example, her rejection of traditional roles defines her autonomy. This means Draupadi's journey shows her search for who she is as a person, and by refusing to accept typical expectations of women, Draupadi shows her independence. The text critiques patriarchal norms imposed on women. Example, Draupadi's fierce defiance during her disrobing scene highlights resistance. So the story challenges the unfair rules and expectations society sets for women, and when Draupadi is humiliated, her strong response symbolizes resistance against male dominance. She explores varying power dynamics among female characters. Example, Kunti's manipulation and guidance over her sons shows complex power structures. This means the interactions between women in the story shows different types of power and influence. Kunti's ability to control and support her sons shows the intricate means complex ways women can exert power. Now here we see female relationships are central, emphasizing support and camaraderie. Example, Draupadi and her relationship with her co-wives illustrate or showcase solidarity. This means women support each other and build strong friendships. Draupadi shares a strong bond with her co-wives, showing their unity. Draupadi's engagements reflect her sexual autonomy. Example, her marriage to the Pandavas was her choice, defying expectations. So Draupadi makes her own choices about her relationships and sexuality, and she chooses to marry the Pandavas, breaking social norms. She provides a fresh take, causing readers to question the historical narratives. Example, Draupadi's perspective reshapes the conventional storyline of the Mahabharata. This means that Draupadi's story encourages readers to rethink traditional history, and her viewpoint changes how we understand the events in the Mahabharata. She challenges the traditional notions of heroism through Draupadi's strength. Example, her determination to achieve vengeance transforms her into a heroic figure. This means that Draupadi redefines what it means to be a hero with her strong character. Draupadi's will to seek revenge makes her a true hero in her own right. She highlights how women endure suffering yet remain resilient. Example, the trials faced by Draupadi, including humiliation, becomes a source of her strength. So women can face great pain but still show strength and perseverance. The hardship Draupadi endures, like being humiliated, only empowers her further. She shows how women navigate choices in oppressive circumstances. So women find ways to make choices even when faced with limiting societal pressures. Example, Draupadi's choice to marry 5 husbands complicates traditional expectations. So here we see that by marrying 5 men, Draupadi challenges and complicates typical marriage norms. Now, here in this point, we see she critiques traditional masculine roles and their impact on women. Example, the flawed actions of the Pandavas highlight toxic masculinity. This means that she questions how traditional male behavior affects and harms women, and these Pandavas' mistakes showcase how harmful male traits and behaviors are. She emphasizes the connection to divine feminine qualities. Example, Draupadi's unwavering commitment to her principles reflect spiritual resilience. Now here we see that She links female traits to spiritual strength and divine qualities. Draupadi's dedication to her beliefs shows her inner strength and spirituality. She reflects on the societal constraints faced by women historically. Example, comparisons with Vedic literature showcase women's roles and resistance. So she examines the limitations and restrictions placed on women through history, and looking at Vedic texts reveals how women resisted and adapted to societal roles. Now, here we see she provides insightful commentary on cultural expectations of women. Example, the societal pressures on Draupadi expose patriarchal constructs. So, she shares deep thoughts on what society expects from women, and the challenges Draupadi faces reveal the unfair systems that prioritize men. The narrative voice offers empowerment and relatability. Example, Draupadi's own narration invites empathy and deeper understanding of her struggles. So, the way the story is told helps women feel strong and understood. When Draupadi shares her story, it helps others connect with her pain and challenges. The narrative has influenced modern feminist interpretations. Example, contemporary discussions consider how Draupadi can inspire current feminist movements. So here we see the story has shaped how today's feminists view issues of gender and power. Today people discuss how Draupadi's story can motivate and uplift modern feminist activism. Then with this video lecture ends here. Hope this video lecture will help you in your exams. Thank you.